Hey, great day to you. So does Square integrate with Xero? And the answer is yes. And there's a really cool connector app called Link My Books that can help you connect between the two. In the description of the video, you're going to find a free trial of Link My Books, free onboarding link, best coupon codes, and tutorials that show you how to use it. Now, Link My Books can help you with Square integration. So sync Square payouts with deposits in Xero or QuickBooks, offering a clear breakdown of sales, refunds, fees, and taxes. So it works with Square to Xero and Square to QuickBooks as well. And Link My Books generally is accounting and bookkeeping software. So accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot, save time and money by automating your bookkeeping, all sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately accounted for, automatic bank deposit matching with Xero and QuickBooks, built-in support for VAT, GST, and sales tax. So gain financial clarity with Link My Books. Check out free trial, free onboarding link in the description, best coupons, and also the videos that show you how to use Link My Books. Now, what's cool about Link My Books is that it's kind of a multi-channel tool. So yeah, it does work with Square, as we previously have mentioned, but it also helps you with integration between Xero and QuickBooks to Amazon, Shopify, eBay, Etsy, Walmart, TikTok Shop, WooCommerce, and Square, as again previously mentioned. Another really cool thing about Link My Books is that it can help you as an e-commerce seller, but also as an accountant or bookkeeper that is handling e-commerce sellers. So if you're an e-commerce seller, in the description, we have this video for you where myself, great to meet you, Amazon seller Vova Evan, and Daniel Little, who's the co-founder of Link My Books. In this video, we show you how to use Link My Books in this 30-minute A to Z tutorial of Link My Books for e-commerce sellers. We answer every kind of a question that arises connected to Link My Books. We show you how to connect it to the marketplace of your choice and kind of step-by-step tutorial. Also, the free onboarding link helps you with this too, but I do recommend you check in the video to see how really it works from A to Z. Another video in the description is good if you're an accountant or bookkeeper that is handling e-commerce clients. This is a 41-minute tutorial with Danny Little and myself. In this video, we show you how to use the tool for accountants and bookkeepers, also an A to Z kind of tutorial. So it's going to be useful for accountants and bookkeepers handling e-commerce clients. So again, if you want to connect Square to Xero or QuickBooks, check out Link My Books, link in the description, free trial, free onboarding, best discounts, and the tutorial videos for you. And it's going to be an affiliate link, means that if you ever do business with Link My Books, I'm going to get a little commission from that. No extra cost to you, but in this way you can support my free content. Truly appreciate that. I've created over 1,100 videos for you here on YouTube, and I really love it. I've been doing it since 2018. And also I have a blog at vovaevan.com where I also share content that's connected to selling on Amazon, e-commerce, and all this cool stuff that I really enjoy in my life. So all the links are in the description, free trial, free onboarding for Link My Books, best discounts, all the tutorials. Have a great year ahead. Bye-bye.